guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandi. In today's video I'm showing you how I created this DIY project for my best friend for her birthday. This is a great way to just show appreciation and give your loved ones something really nice, something different, something real creative. And on top of that, I will be showing you how I did it and where I got all of the supplies to make this happen. Please comment below, subscribe, like, follow my Instagram, all of the above. And let's get into this video. Also, the page that I'm getting this idea from is called Florescer Bouquets. Florescer Bouquets. I believe that's what it's called. Florescer Bouquets. And this is their page, so this is where the idea comes from. They have a lot of cute stuff on here though. Like, look at that. Like, that is so nice. That is so pretty. I love this one. If y'all don't know, I love Hello Kitty, so this one is really cute too.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. God is what's more way to live right now. So let's not waste another day. Cause we find out to see them. Let's take a ride through the same with the top down. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it.
Y'all, so I pulled up to Five Below and I'm gonna see what they have. Maybe they might have like cuter stuff. And I see this, but it's a candle, but it's pretty cute. And we all know HBD stands for happy birthday. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm gonna do a little haul to show you what all I got to create this cup holder bouquet. Here's the cup holder, by the way. I stopped by Starbucks, like I said earlier, just so one, I want to try the drink for myself, and two, I just want to have this completed by today, and I asked for a cup holder. Got 3 different kinds of these off-white flowers, and then I got 2 pink ones, so some crinkle paper, decorative shreds to place into the cup holder. I got some styrofoam so I can like stick the flowers in them, and like they'll have like a sturdy bottom so they don't all fall out. Then I got her candies, and I wanted to make sure that they were individually wrapped so I can like easily place them in there, like in the inspiration photo. I grabbed like this insert, and like I showed you before, like it's to stick inside the flowers, also to add my own personal touch to it. Okay, so I started off cutting one of the styrofoam pieces, and I cut the first one in half, and then I cut the other half into 2 more halves so I can fit into the cup holder pockets, and I also like trimmed them down with the scissors.
Don't you worry not tomorrow. for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
Okay, y'all, so what I ended up doing was taping like leftover pieces from the flower stem, the fake stem, and taping it to the bottom of the candle to like elongate it. So this is what it looks like. I was able to stick it in there and it's holding up pretty well. Like everything's in place, it's intact. That little hack worked. And you know, you just gotta use whatever you have around you. Like, be innovative, because like it got the job done. Like, being creative will take you places, I'm telling you.
Alright, we're gonna start with everything in just 1 second.
Okay, so here's a drink. The mango dragon fruit lemonade. There we go. Okay, so this is the final result. Like, it's so cute. Like, this is so sweet. Okay guys, I'm here and I'm about to go inside and deliver her belated birthday gift.
I know that name now.
Look at it.
You play too much.
There you go.
That is so nice.
You're right.
I like that. That is nice.
Thank
I
you.
wish somebody would do that for me.
You're welcome.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm Brandi. You already know that already.
Yeah, Brandi.
Brandi, everything is good now?
Yes, it is.
Fantastic.
Oh, that's so
That is
sweet.
nice.
Yeah, look, I made it for you.
You know, you
Happy
did.
belated
Birthday,
birthday.
you know? And she do have a, you have a whole case of that one right there.
No, that's not it.
That's not it? That's not it?
No.
I thought it was. I don't eat candy so
You
wrong.
play so much.
And you were talking to her what, a couple days ago?
No, yesterday.
Right.
Exactly.
You remember when I was asking you, like, so where your job is? Like, where you work?
She didn't pick up on it, did she?
She did it. I'm like, dang, I hope she don't, like, ask me questions like, why is she asking me that?
No, because I thought you knew for real. This is so sweet.
Right?
Oh, that's so sweet. You play too much.
Ooh.
That look nice.
Yeah, that look nice.
I-A.
Why they gave you all this little
You saw little
office?
this? It look like a little.
Why the light don't light? Happy birthday to my best friend one more time. Like, I love that girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that inspired you guys to do something nice for the people around you, for the people you love. Like, simple things, very cost effective things that you could do. So I hope this will inspire you to do the same, and that you enjoyed watching my video. So bye.